Tonight, we're going to let go of the stress you've been carrying and guide your mind and body into a deep, healing sleep. You don't have to force anything, and you don't have to stop your thoughts. Instead, we'll let them soften naturally, like ripples on a calm lake, while your breath and the gentle soundscape carry you into stillness. This is your time to rest, your time to restore, and your time to heal. So find your most comfortable position. Let the surface beneath you hold your weight and take a slow, deep breath in and let it go. Tonight, stress will fade and peaceful sleep will take its place. Now that you've settled into your space for the night, allow your body to recognize that it's safe to let go. You've carried enough for today, and there's nothing left that needs your attention right now. Feel the weight of your head resting fully on the pillow, your neck no longer holding any tension. Let your jaw soften, your lips part slightly, your tongue resting gently in your mouth. The space between your eyebrows smooths, your eyelids grow heavier, and the muscles around your eyes release their grip. Your shoulders slide down and away from your ears, melting into the surface beneath you. That release flows slowly down your arms, past your elbows, into your forearms, and all the way to your hands. Your fingers relax, curling naturally or lying softly open. Bring your attention to your breath, not forcing it, just noticing it, cool as it comes in, warm as it leaves. Each inhale draws in calm, each exhale lets go of something you no longer need. Feel your chest rising and falling gently, your stomach softening, your hips settling deeper into the mattress. Your legs are heavy now, your knees relaxed, your calves loose, your feet resting naturally. Even your toes have let go. Around you, the air feels still and balanced, wrapping you in a quiet that belongs only to this moment. The music in the background blends with the sound of your breathing, creating a rhythm that makes it easier to sink into stillness. You don't have to think about relaxing anymore. You are already doing it, simply by being here. This is the beginning of your release, the slow unwinding of the day, and the first step into the deeper rest that is waiting for you tonight. As you remain here, supported from head to toe, begin to notice how the simple act of breathing is already starting to change the way you feel. With every inhale, a sense of lightness enters your body, and with every exhale, a little more weight leaves you. You don't need to rush this process. It happens naturally when you give yourself permission to pause. Your face is soft now, free from the expressions you've worn throughout the day. Your forehead is smooth, your jaw loose, your eyes resting easily behind closed lids. Your neck is free of strain, your shoulders have surrendered their load, your arms rest in their natural position, and your hands feel warm and open. Your back lies comfortably against the surface beneath you, each vertebra settling into place without effort. Your hips are steady, your thighs relaxed, your knees free from tension, your calves at ease, your feet perfectly still. Even your toes feel loose and unhurried. The air around you is just right, holding you in a cocoon of comfort. The music flows gently through the room, wrapping around you like a soft blanket, and the quiet between each note gives you little pockets of space to sink deeper into calm. If a thought appears, notice it without judgment and let it drift away, as though it's a leaf carried gently down a slow-moving stream. There is no need to hold on to it or follow where it goes. In this moment, the past and the future have no place. Only the present matters, and the present is peaceful. You are exactly where you need to be, doing exactly what you need to do. Resting, Your breath, the music, and the stillness are working together to ease you further toward the deep rest that is waiting, ready to heal you from the inside out. Now that your body is resting more deeply, and your breath has found its own slow and steady rhythm, imagine yourself stepping into a place where the air feels fresher and the world moves more gently. You are standing at the edge of a quiet forest path, lit softly by the glow of the moon. The ground beneath your feet is firm but cushioned with fallen leaves, and each step you take makes only the faintest sound, as though the earth itself is welcoming you. The air is cool, carrying with it the scent of pine and the faint sweetness of wildflowers. Around you, tall trees rise like ancient guardians, their branches swaying just enough to create a gentle rustling sound that blends seamlessly with the music you hear now. You walk slowly, unhurried, feeling each step draw you further away from the noise of the day. The deeper you go, the quieter it becomes, until the only things you notice are your breath, the sound of the leaves, and the calm presence of the forest around you. Ahead, the path opens into a small clearing bathed in silver light. In the center is a bench made of smooth, weathered wood. You sit down, feeling the warmth it has held from the day, and let yourself simply be here. You take a deep breath, letting the clean night air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, allowing anything left inside you to dissolve into the open space around you. There is no rush, no goal, only the steady pull of peace guiding you deeper until the idea of sleep is no longer something you seek, but something you are already stepping into. You stay on the bench for a while, letting the quiet of the clearing settle over you like a soft blanket. The air is cool but not cold, perfectly balanced, and it moves gently against your skin as if the night itself is breathing with you. Somewhere nearby, you hear the sound of water, a calm and steady trickle that invites you to follow. You rise slowly and make your way toward it, your footsteps light and unhurried. The path curves gently, and soon you find a small stream flowing over smooth stones, the moonlight catching on its surface and breaking into tiny glimmers. You kneel beside it, feeling the earth firm and supportive beneath you, and watch the water move, slow, untroubled, always finding its way forward. You dip your fingers into the coolness, and as you do, a wave of ease spreads through your hands, up your arms and into your chest, as if the stream is carrying away the last traces of tension. You lie back on the soft grass beside the water, the earth cradling you in its steady embrace. Above you, the stars shine clearly, each one a point of light that feels both distant and close. The sound of the stream blends with the music until it becomes one constant, soothing presence. Your breath mirrors its flow, moving in and out without effort. The space between your breaths grows longer, calmer, until you're not even aware of the transition between inhale and exhale. Thoughts drift away before they can take shape, leaving only a vast, open quiet inside you. You are floating now, weightless yet completely grounded, as if the earth and the sky are holding you together. Dreams begin to form, gentle and without urgency, and you allow them to carry you further, slipping fully into the depth of sleep, where nothing can disturb you and where rest is complete. Now that you are resting in the deepest layer of sleep, your body begins the quiet and profound work of renewal. Each slow inhale brings fresh oxygen deep into your lungs, sending it through your blood to every cell that needs it. Your heart beats in a steady, calm rhythm, carrying this life-giving energy to your muscles, your skin, your brain, and all the hidden places that keep you alive and well. Imagine now a warm golden light glowing in the center of your chest. It is soft yet steady, radiating warmth and peace in all directions. With each inhale, the light grows brighter, and with each exhale, it spreads further through you. It moves into your shoulders, melting away any tension that still lingers there. It flows down your arms into your hands, loosening every joint, softening every muscle, until your fingers rest easily and without effort. The light travels upward into your neck and head, smoothing away the last traces of tightness, quieting the thoughts that sometimes try to stir even in sleep. It moves down your back, easing the muscles that have worked all day to hold you upright, and into your stomach, calming and balancing it. From there, it flows into your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your feet, until every inch of you is bathed in this gentle glow. This golden light is not just warmth. It is your own natural healing energy, freed by the stillness you have given yourself tonight. As it moves, it repairs what has been worn, restores what has been tired, and brings balance to all that has been unsettled. Your mind, too, is quietly healing, sorting through the pieces of the day, keeping only what matters and letting the rest dissolve into the background. You are safe here, whole here, and exactly where you are meant to be, resting in the peace that allows your body and mind to fully restore themselves. As the golden light continues to flow through you, it begins to move in perfect harmony with the slow rhythm of your breath. Each inhale draws it deeper, and each exhale allows it to settle more fully into every corner of your being. It moves patiently, finding the small places where stress has been hiding, tucked into the muscles between your shoulder blades, sitting quietly at the base of your neck, lingering in the curve of your lower back. It touches each of these spaces with gentle warmth until the tension unravels completely. It travels down your spine, loosening every vertebra, releasing the weight that has been carried there. It rests in your stomach, melting away any knots and replacing them with a soft, balanced calm. It moves through your hips, into your thighs, down to your knees, calves, and finally your feet, filling them with a grounding heaviness that feels safe and secure. As your body accepts this deep restoration, your mind is also clearing. Thoughts that once seemed important now feel distant and small, like tiny ripples on a vast, still lake. Worries dissolve before they can take shape, fading into the quiet. Even memories from earlier in the day begin to settle, their edges softening until they no longer demand your attention. The stillness around you is protective, wrapping you in a layer of peace that nothing can penetrate. Here, time has no urgency. Morning is far away, and the only thing that matters is this slow, steady process of renewal. The golden light inside you is a reminder that you have always carried this capacity to heal. It has been part of you all along. Tonight, you have simply given it the time and space it needs to do its work fully. It will continue to move quietly as you sleep, ensuring that when you wake, you will feel lighter, clearer, and deeply refreshed. For now, there is nothing more to do but breathe and let this light stay with you until morning. You are here now, completely wrapped in the stillness of the night, your body heavy with comfort, your mind soft and open. The golden light within you continues to flow quietly, restoring you with every slow breath you take, but you no longer need to notice it. It will keep working as you drift. The music has softened into the background, blending with the silence until it becomes part of the air around you. Your breath is steady and unhurried, Each inhale drawing you deeper into peace, each exhale letting go of anything that remains. The day is far behind you now, its noise and weight unable to reach you here. Every muscle has released, every thought has quieted, and you are safe. Dreams are close, waiting just beyond the edge of awareness, ready to carry you through the night in calm and comfort. You don't need to reach for them. They will come to you, wrapping you in their quiet embrace. Let yourself sink completely now, knowing the night will hold you until the light of morning returns. Sleep is not something you are chasing anymore. It is already here, surrounding you, keeping you, and guiding you through the deepest, most healing rest. If tonight's meditation has helped you release the weight of the day and find the deep, healing rest your body and mind have been longing for, I'd be honored to have you return here whenever you need peace. Let this be your safe space, the quiet place where you can always come to let go, restore, and sleep deeply. If you'd like more nights like this, you can subscribe to this channel so we can continue this journey together. And if there's someone you care about who might be lying awake right now, wishing for the same calm you feel in this moment, share this with them so they too can find rest. For now, there's nothing else you need to do. Just let the night carry you, let your dreams hold you, and remember that you are safe, cared for, and never alone on this path to rest. Sleep well, my friend.